Yes, people. When you look up, you see this lady you are looking up. I call her the new Blessing CEO, but her name is Lady Gallant. The woman is another Blessing CEO. In fact, let me use my language to tell you what has happened to this woman. She was telling other women that men don't have any intelligent conversation. They never had anyone, even the men of before. In fact, she included her father. You know, she has come online to start to rant, to talk nonsense. Instead of you, a lady, to keep your family and be respectful, you don't value men, you don't have respect for men. And that is why you are not in a man's house. The way I see you, you just ran out of the man's house. And that is why now you are talking, the man is not, how can a man have children without taking care of the children, taking them for vacation, doing this, doing that. You are a feminist, the way I see you. And with your kind of woman, you cannot make a good home because you don't value men, you don't value their efforts. You see men as nothing. You literally said that men don't never have any intelligent conversation. All they know, maybe when they meet a woman for the first time, they just ask you, how are you? What's your name? Where are you living? What's your number? The next thing they start to talk about their sexual whatever she was saying. This type of woman. She has come again. This is another Blessing CEO. When Blessing CEO was also in vogue, she was talking like this. Every woman was clapping for her. Right on, mama. Mama, you are doing good. Mama, you are doing great. Is Blessing CEO now? Is she not with a man now? You know, every woman, one thing I'm going to tell women, I have to be honest because we also have daughters, we have sisters. If you're in a man's house, have respect for yourself, have something doing. Don't totally depend on a man for your pants, for your cream, for your hair, for your painting of your nails. You must be doing something. Keep yourself busy. If the man provides for the house and protects you as a woman, you accept it and it's a pleasure. You understand what I'm saying? Then you thank the man. Don't come on social media and start to open yourself. The way you are talking, Lady Gallant. The way you're already talking, people already know what has happened to you. Men has dealt with you. Probably your husband threw you out. Yes, you are new on the street. So now you are telling other women who are also stupid in their brain to join in your stupidity because at the end of the day, the way you are talking now, you are still looking for a man. And you cannot do with a man. So why discouraging others that are already in their husband's place or the ones that want to get married? You are saying that men they don't have intelligent conversation and they will never have. That's exactly what you're saying. And you say that they don't have anything upstairs. They are not intelligent. They are empty in their brain and in everywhere. But you have children. If you listen to the background, you see that the woman has children. And yes, something has gone wrong. When you marry, you live your old lives. You keep it aside and face the new life. You must learn your man. You must try to bond with the man. And problems could come up. There is no doubt about that. But you must have that ability to correct, to amend things. Otherwise, you will be out the way you are out now. And they are shouting and making a hell of noise. Insulting your father, because all what you are saying online is insulting to your brothers, your father, your forefathers, and every man around you. That's what I see, and that's the only thing I can say today. So the only thing I will also advise you, it is very early. If you are having problem with your husband or your boyfriend or your man, whichever you call it, don't come online and spread your dirty linen outside. Try to see how you correct yourself, amend, and settle with your man so that both of you can raise your children properly. The way you are ranting now, your daughters will learn, your boys will learn, if you have any. and it's never going to be good. That's all I have for you. So stop ranting on social media, because the way you are even talking, what you need is a new man to come and start doing something with you, and all this rubbish you are saying will be gone. Do you get it? So don't discourage others. If you men don't have anything upstairs, probably you're saying your father don't have anything upstairs, your brothers don't have anything, your kingsmen, your siblings, men, they don't have anything upstairs. That's what you're saying, because you're generalizing, which means I'm also included. You must be mad in your brain. You understand? If you think with your feminist character, you think you can move mountain, you cannot. You cannot marry a man. It's a man that will marry you and will lay you down. Your back will be on the bed. There is nothing you can do about it. It's a man's word. Take it or you leave it. There is no level of craziness you bring that can equate the craziness of a man. So when you're in a man's house, respect yourself and get yourself something doing. If you don't have anything doing, you will always be at home, idle, lazy, and waiting for the man to feed you, shower you, and do everything for you. And time has gone for something like that. Everybody has to be on the street. You must hustle. The way your man is hustling, you must hustle like that. Yeah, okay. 40%, your man is hustling 60%. You should hustle like 40%. And contribute to the family, not only the man. Because if you people leave everything for the man, men, they will die, they will go, and you people will go and remarry. Men are not never like that. It's only a fool that will suffer to the extent of him being pied, and you people will leave. It's never going to be done. So if you're a woman out there, you are praising her, Lady Gallant. Right on, mama. You are on point. You are doing the right thing. When you go mad and come out to the street, you will see that there is nothing on the street. Men, we can't give you body count. They will flash money on you and give you better doggy. You know what is doggy? Okwe. They're going to give you enough okwe, and your body go yara. Learn. It's still very early for you to change your ways. Nobody's going to change it for you. The way I'm sounding, I hope you understand me. I'm not trying to abuse you, but you have already abused men, which means you abused me as well. But I'm rejecting it because I have something upstairs. If they have not dealt with you, you can't come out and run and shout like a mad dog. You get what I'm saying? So go and fix yourself and fix your home and stop this ranting all over social media. It's never going to help you. If you doubt me, very soon maybe another man will approach you and you will forget all this rubbish you are talking. You start to enjoy. You forget yourself, and the man, by the time you show your character, the man will kick you. Man will always kick a woman when the woman messes up. That's it. That's man's word. Can't take it away, man. Yes, somebody like me, if you come my way and mess up, I will kick you. The rest, I'm not going to give you a day to rest. I'm going to kick you instantly. If I don't kick you, then you can even make me bad. That's why I must kick you. A woman like you shouldn't stay with someone very serious. Since you don't value men, you don't respect men. That's what I see in you. You don't have that atom of respect for your father, for your brothers, if you could speak in this manner. What you need is another man that will come and give you upstairs. Then your brain will come down. That's what I feel. I rest my case. I'm out of here.